one quick look at Aventura before we go into Volcano Bay. Looking like it's coming along. Expecting the blue to be peeled off of these windows at some point in the near future. It looks like I'm confirming what I suspected all along. It only made sense. This is going to be the walking path from Aventura directly to the security area for Volcano Bay. So you will be able to walk from Aventura to Volcano Bay, which, if it wasn't the case, that would be kind of lame because it's right there. And this is right here. So let's get into Volcano Bay. So it is May 24th on the day I'm recording this anyway. May 24th, the day before the 1-year anniversary of the opening of Volcano Bay. And, oh, I just missed it. I'm here because tomorrow is the first day of my blockout dates. So I won't be able to come back here as a guest until September. Oh, I have to put it on the screen, I forgot. So, no updates for a while, so I figured, oh, there goes Krakatoa. So, today's a little bit weird. Hanu has a 40-minute wait. Kokiri does not have a wait, it's ride now. That's the ride that normally is the highest wait time in the whole park. Krakatoa Aqua Coaster is also a ride now, but Hanu is at a 40-minute wait. That is strange. It's time for what's new here. This entire structure is brand new. As you can see, there are hooks up there. Am I pointing to the right thing? As you can see, there are hooks up here. It was built off-site and brought in. By the looks of it, it looks like it was just rethemed, but not sure what it is. First time seeing it. Over here is that new covered area I have been showing you. Looks like it's pretty much finished. It's not open yet, but as you can see, it's just sand underneath. Looks a lot like the covered eating areas that opened after the park. I have some fans. I have a feeling that they won't be on full. Oh, they're on over there. That's actually a pretty high speed. But these are for all the people who want to sit in the sun but don't want to sit in the sun. I came here just after early park admission today because I was worried about capacity, but you can see as of today, not a problem. These are the other covered areas with ceiling fans, which is right next to Tewa, the Fearless River. It's time for Pog Watch. Forecast, no pogs today. That was all over the place, wasn't it? I feel like there are more frogs over here now. I think there were only 2 on each side when they brought them back. But again, it's really nice to see that they are still here, unlike when they first put them in. Now this one is pulsing, that one is not. Still no tubes here. Don't expect that to change either. I'm very surprised that there still is no scoreboard here. There's no way to, well, at Wet n Wild for the drag racer, there was a board that showed you who came in first, second, third. Of course, it didn't work. Maybe they're worried about it eventually not working and looking bad. But as of right now, there's no way to tell who won. Just, you know, by, I guess, the lifeguard guessing. Although the point is to have fun, not to win, right? It all makes sense now. This area over by Tewa, the Fearless River, is also getting new roofed areas, new shade. That's why it was closed off. And I believe I might have been incorrect earlier. I said this is connected to the Taniwa tubes area. I just, sorry about that. I misunderstood what I was saying. This is where the area was walled off, and this is also walled off. See how close it is? It could have been connected. It wasn't. However, it does bring up the question, now that the walls are down, what changed? Because it looks the same. Ooh, the big mystery is finally revealed. A new sign, which looks way better. Probably just moved, but still. And an extra place to tap in for the Taniwa tubes. Now I gotta learn another name. Great. This side for blue slides, this side for green slides. I tried to say that fast. All right, time to tapu tapu. Woo! I know we've seen this before, but it's still fun, isn't it? Yes, the answer is yes. So let's go over to Runamukka Reef. Well, there are more frogs here, but there could still be 2 more, one on each side. Tatiki Reef and Runamukka Reef are now open. This little volcano here just erupted. I don't remember that before. I'm sure it's been there, but of course, right before I started recording, it erupted. Someday this might actually work. I've not seen this shoot water once, and I've been here a lot. These ropes here are new to me. It's a good idea. It's because it might have been when the place was closed for a little bit. It's a good idea because a lot of people kind of invade the space of those who rented these cabanas. So definitely makes sense. Keeps people from being as rude as they could be. Also, this sign seems to erupt more frequently. So if you're walking under it, probably gonna get wet. Of course, I say that, and now it's not going. There it goes. This is new as well. So something that Universal has had over in Islands of Adventure for many years, and I was actually surprised that they did not have this here in Volcano Bay. Now maybe it's because they're being too logical and realize that people dry off in the sun and they rent towels, but you know, people are going to pay money for it, so why not? I don't believe it works with tap to pay. I don't know if they're going to work on that as well, because they kind of encourage you not to have your wallet or cash with you. But new option. And speaking of new, I don't remember there being signs for the restrooms and lockers. Maybe I just haven't been paying attention, but there are now signs, and it tells you which locker area you are going into, which is nice as well. Well, it's been a little while since we checked in with our buddies. Looks like the water is flowing way better with this. If you remember, this guy over here barely had any water coming out of him. And it is time for the waves. Don't remember there being fans in here. You're outdoors in Florida. It's going to be hot. So, because it's still the morning, late morning, I decided to get the awesome tropical fruit salad. That's why the fork. I don't. In the previous shot, I don't just walk around with a fork. That'd be weird, even for me. So you remember on my previous trip, there were some walls here. I was trying to figure out what it was they were putting in. It seems that this path used to end here. Now there's a drain. Now there's a concrete path all the way to the wave pool, so you don't have to walk through the sand, which is more convenient, and it probably keeps some sand out of the water. So that's all I see that's new around here where the walls were. Ooh, it's a bit chilly. Not too bad, but it is a bit chilly. For me, it's probably too cold to go in, but it's been colder. Let's go say hi to Vol. I still think that this path right here is entirely too narrow for the number of people who go through here. Maybe someday they'll widen this. Alright, so I was about to show you that this is a ride now still, and it just turned to 15 minutes. But up and ride now. It's usually not right. It's usually not right now, but here it is. This area is closed again, unfortunately. It seems to be the case way too often. Now, oh, these signs are new too. Little by bit, little by little. These signs are all new. Didn't even expect to see something new, but I'm seeing it for the first time as you are. It's dark here. Let's light that up. Oh my gosh, that timed perfectly with the music outside. That normally doesn't happen. Here's some more signs that are new. And let's go say hello. Hello, Paul. How's your day going? Paul?
Hello there.
Oh, hello. Hello, Paul. How's your day going?
Hi, my day's going very well. How's your day going?
Pretty awesome. Always good to see new things. This is my GoPro. It is a magic box which makes moving pictures. Video.
Moving pictures?
Yes, it's amazing. Right now I am...
you know, I can do that too.
Really?
Yeah, I can make moving pictures right now.
Alright, let's see it.
Let me tell you of Volcano Bay and how this all came to be. Legend foretold and mystical golden named Canoe would one day appear, leading the Watusi to a new home where the stick will pass it on to future generations. And if they don't, I will! Did you enjoy this story?
Yes, it was very nice. Love the visuals. Yeah. Do you know any good jokes?
Do I know any good jokes? Do I know any good jokes? I know lots of good jokes. You want to hear a science joke?
Sure.
Why are volcanoes so great?
Oh, so many reasons, but I'm not sure why.
Because igneous rocks. You get it?
Yes, it's good.
Igneous rocks, because igneous rocks are made from lava, especially specifically when very hot lava means very cold water creating very tiny bubbles. When it cools to rock, it's igneous rocks. And also, to rock means to be great.
Yes, yes.
So igneous rocks.
Yes.
So called igneous rocks, and also that igneous, which is a volcanic rock, rocks.
So what you're saying is volcanoes also make little bubbles in water.
I mean, if you want to boil it down to that, you get it, boil it down, yes. Water in
it's very hot, yes.
You see, I'm full of the joke.
Yes. Well, it's a very short wait for the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster. These people are just being rude and blocking the entrance because they're waiting for their return time. I guess there is a return time now, but... Well, before I even say, given that these rude people are blocking traffic, it might be a wait time. It was right now earlier. That's 20 minutes. Not very long. Huh. That's interesting. This is the first time I've ever tapped in, and the time has not changed. It said 20 minutes before, and it still says 20 minutes. Let's wait here and block everyone trying to get in. No, I'm just kidding. Let's go on the Taniwa tubes, or I'm gonna go on the Taniwa tubes. The Tonga, I believe. Put it right in front of me, great. Put a comment in the section below if you can tell me what this is actually supposed to pronounce. In this case, I don't have a reference guide to help me with the cheat. Unfortunately, I can't take you on the ride with me. But here we go. So I was told I can't ride Taniwa tubes with my GoPro in my pocket. So here I am at Makapuini. They're doing some sort of work on it. Not sure what. Well, this is the first time I've seen this. I remember seeing this before. This is probably because the cameras were working very inconsistently for a long time. I'm not sure when they made this change, but these wires, which actually look kind of bad, but it's probably a safety hazard to have them running anywhere else. They used to have a bunch of small lights on them, which I thought looked nice. It was kind of like a party atmosphere, you know? But apparently from I-4 it looked like Christmas lights, and so they've changed them to these little spots. I just noticed that right now. I don't know, maybe it looks better, maybe that was their plan, but that's what they did. So something else new. Again, I'm not sure how long it's been since that change was made. Also, there are sprayers on this level. That's why there's so much water falling down, to cool it off as you make your long climb up to Koikiri, the body plunge. And of course, further in the cave, there are more signs for the attractions, which is also new to me too. First time seeing these today. Here's something else that's new. This waterfall has been here since the park opened, but this little walled area and this deeper pit is new to me. The park station is actually open. Wow. All right, well, that's about all I can think to show you. This is my final update, final video as a guest here at Volcano Bay till sometime in September. So, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.